Hello everyone! Ayan, masaya po ako today kasi someone sending me this. And I'm gonna show you guys what is this. My weakness. Ito talaga ang aking favorite. This one. Picnic. And of course ito. Alam nyo ba guys, wala nito sa amin dito sa Laguna. So ang brownies nasa mga SM part lang yan, mga SM. So mas gusto ko to compare talaga sa mga cakes. Yes, brownies. And I'm gonna show you guys the flavor. Wow. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's a 10 pieces. And hulaan nyo kung alin dyan ang pinaka gusto ko. Isa lang naman ang kakainin ko dyan kasi my sugar is 104. So, I need to mag-lessen tayo ng konti sa mga sugar. Ayan. Kaya doon sa mga sweet persons dyan guys, alam na this ha. Huwag masyadong matamis. So, this one is my favorite. Ayan. Ito talaga ang pinaka gusto ko sa lahat. And then for the rest, para na lang sa mga pamangkin. And of course to my son, kay Matthew. But anyway, thank you, brownies. And picnic. And you know who you are. I just wanna say thank you. This is my stress reliever. Medyo na-stress talaga tayo this past few days. This past few weeks. But this is it. Thank you so much. You know who you are. Thank you for spoiling me. And keep safe always. Bye! Thank you! Mwah mwah, chup chup!